Welcome to another State Industrial Products how-to video. In this video, we will be installing and servicing the State Soap Factory Senior. Each Soap Factory Senior dispenser comes with the necessary hardware needed to set up the unit. In order to mount the dispenser, you will need the included hardware, the dispenser, a level, a drill with a 1/4-inch drill bit, a pencil, and safety glasses. First, find a location in the area you wish to install your unit where you are sure you will not drill into anything such as pipes or wiring. Next, using your Soap Factory dispenser as a template, mark the 4 screw holes on the back of the unit. Use a level to ensure that your dispenser will not be crooked when mounted. Now, using your drill and wearing your safety glasses, drill your holes and insert your drywall anchors. Next, line up your unit with the anchors and use your provided mounting screws in order to attach the unit to the wall, adjusting the screws with a screwdriver to make sure you get a tight fit that secures your unit on the wall. Now let's take a look at servicing the Soap Factory Senior. To begin, adjust the 4-position selector that controls the amount of soap dispensed. It is located on the undercarriage of the top of the unit, in front where the stainless steel dispenser tube connects to the dispenser. Using a flathead screwdriver, adjust the setting to your liking. The setting ranges from 1 dot for the least amount of soap to 4 dots for the maximum amount of soap. Next, remove the cap from a 3-liter soap bottle and ensure that the label is facing outwards. Slide the bottle onto the dispensing tube and firmly press the bottom of the bottle towards the dispenser until it locks into place. Ensure that everything is working properly by testing the dispenser. Thank you for watching this State tutorial video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more how-to videos.